Hello and welcome to ISE. My name is Nick Bolton and I'm one of the UK account sales managers for Nexo. At ISE this year we're launching the NANONXAMP4, which is our installation-based range of amplifiers, 4-channel, 250 watts, with optional wall mount, source and remote control. The built-in DSP is accessible via the IP address of the amplifier. It comes with wall mount options, rack mount options, and has digital inputs and outputs. The reason for the development was to match it to the ID and the EPS range of loudspeakers, and we feel that this is going to be a welcome introduction to the Nexo range of products. If you'd like more information on this or any other Nexo products, you can visit the website nexosa.com or speak to your local dealer or distributor. Thank you.